Hi, good evening. This is Scott at Scott Trades on Twitter with StockMarketMentor.com and your chart of the day. I want to take a look at Palantir. Palantir has been kind of a chop fest lately. As you can see, the last couple of months or so, it's been a lot of just whippy up and down action. Whippy up and down action, whippy up and down action, and whippy up and down action. So here's the real important level that I believe lies on this chart. Now, if I zoom out here a little bit, you can see this area here acted as resistance, and that kind of coincides with this area here. So if you want to avoid the whippy up and down action of Palantir and kind of get out of that account volatility, I think what you want to do is set an alert right under that 2750 level. So I'm going to set an alert here on my platform, and basically what I'm looking for is a move through and a close above 2750 on higher than average volume. Now, if it can do that, essentially it's able to move out of 6 months of just sideways chop. And that could potentially be the start of a new uptrend. So that's a level we're watching at StockMarketMentor.com. Consider setting an alert on your platform as well, and we'll see how it plays out. Hey, if you're a member of Stock Market Mentor, be sure and check your email inbox. Dan Fitzpatrick sent out a tutorial today. It's 28 minutes long, and it takes you through the process of narrowing down your stock search criteria so you can just focus on the candidates that you're looking for. And I think by going through this video, the results will surprise you. So be sure to check that out if you're a member of StockMarketMentor.com. And if you're not, hey, no better time to take a trial. Click the link, and we'll see you on the other side. Have a great weekend.